Few more days before Christmas, kaya napapaisip na tayo kung ano ang magandang regalo sa ating mga mahal sa buhay. Meron na ba kayong naisip? Hello guys! Welcome back to G's Vlog. Eto na naman po ako. And I'm wearing my very red tops. Okay? Thank you for the sponsor ng tops na to. It's from Topshop. And I got it for only $5. O diba? Not bad. Medyo malaki siya. But okay lang. Hindi halata yung bilbil. Anyway, today is mag-a-unboxing na naman tayo. Kasi nga malapit na ang Christmas. And medyo napapaisip na tayo what we want to have for Christmas para sa ating mga loved ones. Meron silang mga wishes. Meron silang mga gustong ma-receive this Christmas. And here at home, few days back, Steven just like gave me a hint kung ano yung gusto niya for Christmas. And I'm not that good in like buying stuff online. Pero syempre nga, he showed it to me and then I remember which shop was it, and then ano yung pangalan, ano yung brand, ano yung mga specs nung gusto niya. So, I tried to get it for him. I was able to capture the video nung sinabi niya na, I want this. Kaya ito, show ko muna sa inyo kung ano yung gusto niya and makukuha ba niya. This is his current teeny tiny Xiaomi band, and this is the video that I'm telling you guys where I captured it.
I want to get this for myself. The feet. It's cheap than your Apple Watch. This is the most cheapest I can get myself.
Is it Apple?
No, this is from Xiaomi. Huami made from Xiaomi. Amazfit. It's a 1.43 inch.
Same as my Apple Watch.
Your Apple Watch should be slightly bigger, you see?
But looks like Apple Watch, you know?
Yeah. I like the color. But this one no GPS. Your one has GPS right?
I don't know. I haven't expected. I think so.
If
There's
I
a
ask for
location
the
service.
the Pro have the GPS.
How much?
Only. Okay. This is because Singapore warranty. This is only.
Oh, okay, I'm back. Kaya, eto na. Yung Christmas gift ni Steven comes a little too early. Kaya, bubuksan ko muna. Mag-a-unboxing muna tayo ng aking first gift na i-give away sa aking loved one this Christmas. It just came today. Dineliver ng uncle. And, buksan natin what's inside. I'm gonna hide this vlog from him so that he won't know kung ano yung gift ko sa kanya. And I'm pretty sure na he will be happy about it. Kasi nga, gustong-gusto niya talaga to. He mentioned to me, as you can see in the video, right, that he really wants it. Okay. Kaya bibigay natin sa kanya. He didn't expect that I'll get it for him. Kasi nga, hindi ako mahilig magbigay ng mga ganito for Christmas. For me kasi is like, having my presence around is enough. Parang ganon. Kuripot lang. Here it is. Ano kayang nasa loob? And what I got in here is a warranty card. Of course, this is the warranty card ng ating i-unbox today, which is the Amazfit. Amazfit is a smartwatch. And medyo magiging hit yata to siya. I can feel it. So, ano yung regalo ko kay Steven this coming Christmas? This will be his gift from me. Let's open this. Right now, Xiaomi band yung kanyang watch, which is kind of too small for him. open natin si Amazfit. What's inside the box? Okay, ito na. This is what Steven wants for Christmas. Ooh! This is how it looks like. Mukha siyang Apple Watch, diba? But then, I think the screen is bigger. Compare lang natin, guys. Curious lang ako. Okay. So, the face or the screen is bigger than the Apple Watch. It's very lightweight. This is the Amazfit Bip U series. And what's in the box is, it comes with a charger. It comes with this charger. Okay, so it comes with a charger. Saan ba siya i-charge? Okay, here behind. Alright, it's magnetic. The box comes with, of course, a smartwatch and a charger. Ito siya. Ano pa nga bang mga accessories niya? That's it. This is just a user guide. What is so good with Amazfit Bip U series is 1.43 inches large color screen. So, colored yung screen niya. And it has the blood oxygen level measurement. It is waterproof, 5 meters. And it has 60 plus sport mode with high precision GPS. So, may GPS siya. Kaya, if you're planning to give a gift to your wife, to your husband, and gusto nyo silang ma-track kung saan na sila, give them this. Kung medyo duda kayo sa inyong mga asawa, pwede naman iregalo ninyo kasi nga, it has GPS. Okay, mahahanap ninyo sila. Saan na sila? Saang lungga sila nakatira? Amazfit Bip U series comes in different colors. It has white, green, and black. So, of course, lalaki yung bibigyan ko. I'll be giving it to my husband. So, I get the black color for him. And I can try it. Try natin. Bago niya gamitin. Gagamitin ko muna. Just kidding. I'm just trying it. I just want to have the feel kung ano nga ba siya talaga ka-lightweight. Yes, very lightweight. Kasi lang, I still don't know how to use. And I don't want to configure it for myself kasi nga, this is not meant for me, this is for him. Mura din siya, guys. I got this for less than $100, which is very affordable if you are on a tight budget during this Christmas. But, yung feeling na gusto mo pa rin magbigay, kahit na medyo tight yung budget, pero you still want to give something for your loved ones, this is a good choice that I can recommend. So, you can place your order on the link below. No kidding. So, if you want to know more about it, you can check Amazfit Bip U Pro. So, full spec review tayo, guys, nitong Amazfit Bip U Pro. It's 1.43 large color screen. It has blood oxygen level measurement, Pi health assessment system, stress monitoring and breathing exercise. Then 31 grams lightweight design, 60 plus sports mode with high precision GPS, 5 ATM water resistant, and Alexa built in, so you can talk to Alexa in this Amazfit Bip U Pro. I'm gonna end the video here, and I hope you enjoy this short and quick unboxing and product specification information video. And if you want to consider this as a gift for your loved ones, I can really recommend. It's good. Yung mga function niya is kind of hindi siya cheapo na mga functions. And this is a new product. And this will be the next new hit sa mga smartwatches. Thank you for watching today's video, and don't forget to subscribe. Click on that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you will be notified if I have a new video uploaded in my channel. Thank you so much, and have a great day, everyone.